Welcome back. Today we are going to be making a super delicious cocktail, the Blackberry and Lychee Martini. For this cocktail, we are going to start off with 0.25 ounces of simple syrup, 0.25 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, 0.25 ounces of Blackberry Liqueur, half an ounce of Lychee Liqueur, and last but not least, 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of gin. Ooh, the lychee is really aromatic. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients in the shaker tin, we are going to add ice. And then we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. We used fresh lime juice, so make sure you're double straining, so Hawthorne strainer and mesh strainer, and you're going right into your martini glass. Beautiful. Love the color. All right. Of course, no cocktail is complete without a garnish. So we have I don't know if you're calling it, kind of call it fresh. It's not really fresh. Came out of a can. But a lychee and then a blackberry skewer. We're just going to set that right into our martini. Okay. We are going to taste and we're going to rate. 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. Per me. Oh, it's like the lychee smell is insane. It's so potent. Ooh, interesting. Okay, you definitely get the lychee. You don't get as much blackberry. Well, I guess it kind of comes on the back end. You don't get a lot of blackberry. I thought you'd get a little bit more, but overall, very delicious cocktail. It's nice and light. I will say this is definitely going to be more like a true martini, so it is more spirit forward. So it does have a little bit of a bite on the back end. So it's not quite as easy to drink as some of my other cocktails that you guys have seen. So for me, I think I'm going to have to go with a 4 out of 5 on this one. Again, very good, but it's just not as drinkable for me personally. It's still a very good cocktail, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you follow along in the ingredients. They're going to be listed down below. Make this cocktail for yourself, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your rating is for this particular cocktail, and then I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.